Three, including female high school student, died from Trelawny crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Three people, including a female student of the Trelawny High School, died from injuries they sustained in a crash that involved two vehicles on the Salt Marsh Main Road in the parish on Friday. The police have given the names of the deceased as Tashanti Jones, age 15, Hoden Flemings, age 31, and Brendan Gordon, age 21. They are all from Trelawny addresses. The student was one of three people traveling in a Toyota Wish motor car which hit a Suzuki Grand Vitara. She died while being treated at hospital, while the other two males died on the spot. The female driver of the Suzuki Grand Vitara was taken to hospital. Her condition is not immediately known up to the publication of this report.
Wish well I'd come. So where Acha? Where I come from? Great. So next man they drive out.
Yeah, look at here, can you know what I'm doing?
Go in there. Girl, I look like in there, you know. No, in the gap. You? No. Him there go. Him going. No. Yo! No accident just happened here, so brother. Just happened, see one straight here jump in front of me and when I break.
We'll have more details to follow this newscast in a later one. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.